In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import XML in Confluence. Whether you're new to Confluence or an experienced user, understanding how to import XML can help you streamline your workflow and effectively manage content within your space. So, let's dive right in and walk you through these steps with ease. We'll start at your Confluence homepage. From here, you'll first need to select the space where you'd like to import the XML. This is crucial because each space is like a separate container for your pages, and selecting the right one ensures your XML content lands exactly where it needs to go. Once you've chosen your space, the next thing to do is to pick the specific page within that space. Choosing the right page ensures that your XML data is organized correctly, keeping your information coherent and easy to find later. Now, it's time to edit the page. You can enter edit mode by clicking on the Edit button, which will enable you to add new elements to your page. In edit mode, look for the Insert Elements option. This opens up a variety of elements you can integrate into your Confluence page, from simple text to complex macros. What we're interested in is the code snippet feature. You can find this by using the search function. Simply type in code snippet, and it should appear in the results. Once you find the code snippet, click it. You're almost there. Now, you're looking for the option to specify the script language you'll be working with. Since we aim to import XML, you need to search and select XML from the list of available languages. After you've chosen XML, it's time to paste your XML code. This is where the integration happens, and don't worry, you can always make revisions if needed. Paste the XML exactly where the placeholder prompts you. Once your XML code is pasted, Confluence will interpret and display it accordingly in your chosen space and page. Ensure to review your content, check for any errors, and then save the page. And there you have it, a seamless XML import execution in a few straightforward steps within Confluence. Make sure to keep this guide handy whenever you're handling XML in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to reach out for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Confluence usage. Stay productive and happy collaborating.